Hey girl, easy, I've got you. It's just a wing, looks like. We'll get you some help. There we go. Come on, little ones, you can ride with Mom. That's
Just cleaning it a bit
She seems
more.
calmer.
Yeah, she's doing great. The leg looked worse at first, but it's just a surface wound. We'll wrap it snugly so it heals. Good, all set. She should be comfortable now.
Thank you so
Here's
much.
Sadie. Mama.